Are you ready to make a difference in your broiler and poultry farming in general? This particular video is for you. Hibiscus, cinnamon, and bay leaf in poultry farming. Let's go there. Hello, you are highly welcome to another topic. How hibiscus, bay leaf, and cinnamon tea transformed my poultry. Hidden cure for maximum profit in poultry. Are you a poultry farmer and you are facing some challenges of different infections in your poultry house? This topic is very important for you. Are you a poultry farmer? You want to get the maximum broiler weight. You want to get the maximum egg drop in your poultry farming. This topic is also wonderful for you. It's an amazing topic for any poultry farmer that want to move forward, want to make profit. This topic is for you. In this video, I'm going to review a powerful organic tea that you can mix using hibiscus flower, bay leaves, and cinnamon. Use it naturally to take care of your poultry and livestock birds. This is a traditional farming method that will help you to rediscover your poultry potentials and maximize your profit. You will learn the names, uses, and how this tea help transform the health, weight gain, and growth. At the same time, disease resistance in my poultry flock. Poultry 100% healthy always, and once they are healthy, they can convert their feed efficiently. Different local names and common names for hibiscus flower is called zobo. Also, in some major areas, it is called zobo. It is also called hibiscus subtarifi. That is another name. The bay leaf is also called laurel leaf, sweet bay. Bay laurel. The cinnamon is called true cinnamon, Ceylon cinnamon, and others. It has different names in different regions. Any of the names you know, please use them. These three combinations is going to give you maximum results. Watch it end. Perhaps you have them within your area. I know that many regions have cinnamon, they have zobo. You can make use of it. Not only human being alone needs zobo. All these animals can help them to maximize their growth potentials. You are going to know how to naturally boost poultry immunity and digestion, how to reduce costs on antibiotics and synthetic drugs, how to increase broilers' weight gain and egg production in your laying beds, how to control C. arudu, coryza, respiratory issues, and other bacterial and fungal infections in poultry and drop the syndrome also, how to practically prepare and administer this tea to your poultry birds and their dosage. All this you need to know in this particular video. If you can watch it the end, you get tips. This topic interests you right away, give it a thumb up now. At the end of watching this video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. Activate the bell notification, and at the same time like this video. Give this video a thumb up so that the network can at the same time suggest this video to other poultry farmers that will need this. Share this video on all your platforms, your profiles, all your social media handles, so that anytime you need an issue like this, you will know how to trace them. It is difficult to trace video on the channel, but it is easier for you to trace the ones you have already shared on your profile. They will be there waiting for you, no matter the time, no matter the day, you get it. Let me give you 10 health, mineral, and medicinal health benefits of this particular combination tea, this combo tea. 1. Let's get there. Let's start with the 10 vitamins, minerals, and medicinal benefits of this tea to your poultry and livestock animals, so that you will know why it can help them. 1 is vitamin C. Hibiscus is superb in vitamin C. Hibiscus boosts immunity, reduce stress in poultry and livestock. You know that stress is one of the major health issue that deprive them of eating food at the right time. Cashew, the bay leaf strengthens bones, eggshell quality, and egg drop. Iron, the hibiscus and cinnamon improves blood and oxygen flow in poultry and livestock. Magnesium, the bay leaf enhances metabolism. Antioxidants, both the three fight infections, support organ health and development. Anti-inflammatory, cinnamon reduces gut and respiratory inflammations. Antibacterial. The cinnamon and bay leaf helps combat harmful bacteria in poultry. Liver detoxification. Hibiscus cleanses liver, supports digestion in poultry and livestock. Respiratory relief. Bay leaves steam opens breathing pathways and help them to breathe well and at the same time eat well. Appetite stimulation. The cinnamon improves feed intake and at the same time increases feed conversion. How do you prepare this? Gather all these extracts, all these plants, all these extracts, gather them together. 300 grams of each of them is good for you, 300 grams. Then wash them thoroughly. After washing, put them in a pot, clean pot. Add 3 liters of water, 3 liters. Measure it correctly. Pour it, then boil it for 30 minutes. The color of the water will change automatically. You see the color change, reddish in color, very reddish in color. This is powerful tea for your poultry and livestock animals. Please don't deprive them this, please. After boiling, each one, boiling should be between 20 to 30 minutes. Then mix with drinking water, clean drinking water, 100 ml per liter of water, 3 to 5 days for young chicks. Then if they are growers chicks, they are growing stage, that is between the age of 3 weeks upwards, give them 150 ml per liter of neat water. You dilute it. If they are in the finishing stage, for instance, they are broilers, the finishing stage, 5 weeks upwards, give them 200 ml per liter of water, 3 to 5 days. Then if they are laying birds, the whole thing changes. Now, laying birds, the same measurement is applicable at the early stage of their life, between brooding stage and growing stage. But during the laying stage, for you to get maximum egg drop and quality eggs, give them 400 ml per liter of drinking water. 400 ml is almost half a liter. Please, this is what you give them on daily basis, 3 to 5 days every week. If you can give them 3 days today, the next week give them 3 days. You are getting amazing results, superb results that will amaze you. These plants are wonderful. And if they have any infection or infections are already in their system, or you notice any sign of infection, you have to increase the dosage. Even during the brooding stage, you increase the dosage also. Instead of 100 ml, give them 200 ml. If they are showing signs of infection, give them 200 ml. Then it's going to help them also to avoid that sickness and at the same time strengthen the immunity. But if you are using our Eco Bio Booster, there is no need for all these plants. There is no need using them. The Eco Bio Booster has all this already in them also. So you only do what? Carry on with the Eco Bio Booster. Don't miss this. This is a biotic tea. It's a biotic tea. Give it to them on daily basis. Every of their water should have this Eco Bio Booster every time, from beginning to the end of till they enter the market. You are going to get, you will not spend any money at all, and the breast will grow stronger and heavier, and they will not buy. You will not lose anyone at all. You will hardly lose anyone. They will continue growing, and they can stay longer because there is no residue of synthetic in them. Most of all these strong antibiotics affect their internal organs. When the internal organs is gone, what will happen to the chicken? The chicken itself is gone. Can a chicken be living when they have kidney failure? Is it possible? No. Can a chicken be living when they have cardiac arrest? No. This synthetic affects all these organs and at the same time reduce the effectiveness of these organs. That's why most of them at times raise their legs up. You will not see them any longer. They will join their ancestors. So the best thing is for you to buy the Eco Bio Booster. Make use of it. If you want to buy it, check all the videos. You see the number, full number there. Send me direct message on my WhatsApp group. Then I will reply you. And please, I don't want chat there. I don't want how is your family, how is your business, how is your mother, how is your father. Please, I don't want this. Only account number. If you want to ask questions about this particular product, ask it on the comment section. So that when you come to my direct message, it's only give me account detail. That's all. Questions should be asked on the comment section, and don't call me with that line. If you call me, you will not get me. Thank you for watching this video. Then join our community membership so that you'll be a member of the particular channel. You get all attention you need. Thank you for watching. Till the next video is uploaded in the next channel. Bye.